Alright everyone, so here's a close-up look at what I've done to my boat. I'm going to show you the radio first, what it looks like, and what I had to do to the radio to get it waterproof. Or, well, it's not really waterproof, it's more water resistant. Alright, that screws out. Now guys, don't be afraid to comment down below what you think of the new backboard here to film against. I thought it was an ingenious idea for me to do. So this piece comes off, this one comes off. So what you want to do is take get some radio extension wires. Now, I went with the 3" because, well, that's all I needed for my applications. But you can go with 6, 8, 10. Alright, well, actually, I don't even know if they make a 10. But after I plugged those in, what I did is I took Plastidip, my trusty old friend Plastidip, and I coated the receiver in it. Nice and black. Just the light, just a little bit here. See if that does anything. No, it doesn't really seem to do anything. Alright, well. So that's what we got. I would have shown the, I don't know why I didn't really film this. This would have been easy to film, and I think, but I think the reason is because there's a lot of other videos on how to do this. Yes, and now that's what I was doing, is following those videos. So this is just the, for those of you that have Traxxas products, this is just the what the radio wire goes into to protect it. Now I would have shown me installing the new motor, but there's a lot of swearing going on, and I know not all my viewers are over the age of 18. So I kept the servo the same. And now this ESC right here, it seems to be pretty nice. Now I'll power the boat on. Let's see. I'll grab its transmitter. So I'll power the boat on for you guys and show you what we got going on. Now what I did to modify its battery tray is, if those of you that have a Traxxas Blast, if you pull the battery tray out of the boat, you'll notice there's a big blocker end on it. Now I took that off because I am mostly going to be running lipos. So I'm going to bring this like this so you guys can see that prop spin. This prop, it is a little beat up, but still it works pretty well. I've also got reverse on the receiver, not the receiver. I've got reverse on the ESC as well. Now I think I might go over the receiver a little bit with a little more Plastidip. I do not recommend running this without any water to cool the engine off. Or not the engine, but the motor, because that motor gets really hot really quick, and if you don't run it without the lubrication, aka the water, you can burn it out in seconds. So so that's what I've done to the boat. Oh, here it is, all looking all nice and neat. comment, rate, subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.